Leaks about the Pixel 9a are everywhere, and now we have one of the clearest looks yet at this upcoming mid-range smartphone. A newly surfaced video, lasting just 44 seconds, shows the Pixel 9a in porcelain, giving a full view of the device's design. From the front display to the rear camera bar, and even the camera app in use, this footage gives a solid preview of what to expect. This isn't the first time details about the Pixel 9a have surfaced. Recently, a well-known leaker, Even Blast, shared images of the phone in a fresh color called Iris, a purple shade that joins three other options: Obsidian, Porcelain, and Peony. Obsidian is a deep, dark shade resembling black, Porcelain is a warm white, and Peony has a pinkish tone similar to the standard Pixel 9 series. These colors offer a mix of subtle and bold choices for different preferences. Google is expected to make the Pixel 9 official on March 19, with pre-orders starting the same day. If everything follows the usual schedule, the phone could be available for purchase by March 26. For those planning to pre-order, there might be an added incentive, at least in some regions. According to recent reports, buyers in Europe who pre-order the Pixel 9a may receive a Google TV streamer for free, a device valued at approximately $99. It's unclear whether this deal will extend to the US or other regions, but if it does, it could make the Pixel 9a an even more attractive option. When it comes to pricing, the Pixel 9a is expected to start at $499 in the US for the 128GB model, while a 256GB version could be priced around $599. At these price points, it competes directly with other strong mid-range devices, making it one of the more affordable Pixel phones with premium features. On the hardware side, the Pixel 9a is set to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2424 pixels and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the device will be Google's Tensor G4 processor, built on a 4nm process paired with 8GB of RAM. These specs suggest that the phone will handle daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking with ease. Cameras have always been a strong point for Pixel phones, and the Pixel 9a continues that trend. On the back, it will have a 48-megapixel main sensor alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front will feature a 13-megapixel punch-hole camera for selfies and video calls. With Google's advanced AI-powered image processing, users can expect high-quality photos even in low light conditions. Battery life is another highlight, as the Pixel 9a is expected to include a 5,100 mAh battery. This should comfortably last a full day with regular use, and the phone will support fast charging for quick top-ups. Durability also seems to be a focus, with rumors pointing to an IP68 rating, making it resistant to dust and water. In terms of dimensions, the Pixel 9a is expected to measure 154.7 by 73.3 by 8.9 millimeters. While slightly thicker than flagship models like the iPhone 16 and Samsung Galaxy S25, this could contribute to a larger battery and a sturdier build. One of the biggest surprises might be the software support. Reports suggest that Google plans to provide 7 major Android updates for the Pixel 9a, meaning it could receive updates all the way up to Android 22. This would be a huge improvement over previous A-series models and an important factor for users who want long-term software support without needing to upgrade their device frequently. With a strong camera, reliable battery life, and competitive pricing, the Pixel 9a is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2024. If the rumored pre-order bonuses turn out to be true, it could make the deal even sweeter. Would you consider getting the Pixel 9a if it includes a free Google TV streamer? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech news. Have you ever imagined just how slim a smartphone can get without sacrificing its performance? Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge may be on the brink of answering that question, but there's a twist to the story. The Galaxy S25 Edge is poised to give Apple's iPhone 17 Air a run for its money. Both of these upcoming smartphones are expected to wow us with their incredibly slim designs, but the real question is, how slim can they go while still offering the powerful features we expect from premium devices? The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be around 6.25 millimeters thick, while the Galaxy S25 Edge could potentially come in even thinner at 6.4 millimeters, with some speculations hinting that it may be as thin as 5.8 millimeters. But let's not focus solely on how thin these phones are. There's also something else to consider. OnePlus is preparing to unveil the Open 2, which could be as thin as 4 millimeters when unfolded. Yes, a foldable phone at just 4 millimeters. However, let's return to the Galaxy S25 Edge, which has sparked plenty of buzz due to its early performance results. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Edge appeared on Geekbench, a well-known benchmarking tool that evaluates a phone's performance by testing its processor, graphics, and overall speed. It measures how well a device handles multitasking, gaming, and overall performance. The first test results for the Galaxy S25 Edge were exactly consistent, with a score of 3005 in the single-core test and 6945 in the multi-core test. But more recent results have shown a notable shift. The updated benchmarks show that the Galaxy S25 Edge scored 2,806 in the single-core test, slightly lower than before, but it achieved a much stronger score of 8,416 in the multi-core test. This suggests that the phone could be more efficient at handling multiple tasks at once, which is a major plus for those who use their phones for gaming or multitasking. That said, it's important to remember that these are early test results, and the device isn't official yet, so these figures should be taken with a pinch of salt. Performance aside, Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to feature some impressive specs, including a 200-megapixel main camera that will surely appeal to photography enthusiasts. On the front, the phone will likely sport a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The display will be equipped with an LTPO panel that offers a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. If that's not bright enough for you, I'm not sure what is. For durability, Samsung is expected to include an Armor aluminum frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making the Galaxy S25 Edge resistant to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge will likely be powered by 12 GB of random access memory, RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring that the device runs fast and efficiently, even when handling large files and apps. It will also feature support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and USB-C 3.2, ensuring quick data transfer and seamless connectivity. In terms of charging, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to support 25-watt charging speeds. While this might not be the fastest charging solution available, it should be more than enough for quick top-ups throughout the day. As for the processor, while it hasn't been officially confirmed, it's likely that the Galaxy S25 Edge will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, with Samsung likely sticking with Qualcomm for this generation. We might see Exynos chips return in the Galaxy S26, but for now, the Snapdragon 8 Elite seems like the safer choice. One thing to keep in mind is the battery. While the battery might be smaller than previous models, the Snapdragon 8 Elite's efficiency should allow the Galaxy S25 Edge to last all day without any major issues. At least it better. If you're as excited about the Galaxy S25 Edge as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have you been waiting for the One UI 7 update on your Samsung phone? The wait could be nearly over. For the past few months, Samsung fans have been on edge, watching as Galaxy S24 series owners enjoy the beta version of the upcoming update. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, wondering when they'll finally get their hands on the new version. Well, the end of the wait might be closer than we think. Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the exact release date, there are several strong indicators that the update could roll out very soon.